Friends, today we have a mixer grinder problem. As you can see, the power indicator is glowing, which means electricity is reaching the mixer. But when I turn the speed regulator, the motor does not start.
Many people think the motor is burnt or the carbon brushes are damaged. But let's check the regulator first. After opening the mixer, I found a loose connection in the speed regulator wiring. Due to this loose contact, power was reaching the indicator but not the motor. I tightened the connection, reassembled the mixer, and now the mixer is working perfectly. So whenever the indicator is on but the mixer doesn't run, always check the regulator connections before replacing expensive parts.